really is bad.
Look at Charlotte's cupcake. She licked all the frosting off.
Yeah, that's amazing. She's good.
Look at my outfit. That's best to draw my outfit. Can you draw some purple furry pants and some colored socks and the string dress?
No, I'm only going to do the top of you. Brussels sprouts, really? Oh, we eat so many vegetables, and Frederick always complains the vegetarian diet.
I think you need to green too.
I need you to sit still. You're moving around a lot. Here, wrap this up, somebody who can deal with that better than I can.
Green.
I want you to take it home. I don't want you to waste it. I'm sure it was
Green.
expensive.
My dress. Well, the one part of my dress was on the top.
Alright, well not yet. Let me get your eyes first. What to do with it?
You don't like fish?
I don't eat fish.
You don't eat fish?
No.
Why not?
I don't eat anything with a
Markets. Chicken don't have a market for you?
I don't eat chicken.
You eat beans?
I like beans, yeah.
That kind of looks like me.
I hope so.
Kind
So
of.
sturdier. This is so
Okay,
crazy.
hold it. Oh,
Here,
cool.
put that in the fridge. And then
Fridge?
we'll cover these safety sauces too.
It would be good for me to work on like using a photo
Because
because.
the things sit off for too long.
Look, my dad. He's doing something.
Hi, Dad.
He's taking a picture of me.
Fish breath.
Cheese.
Smells like.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Jen.
Jen.
Your daughter
Oh,
needs to
shut up.
What? What?
Listen to Jane.
What?
Look at you. Look at she's drawing, Jeannie.
From me.
Yeah. It's so pretty.
There you go.
Do you want this part to do the front of my dress that's already there?
Oh, look at that. It's you.
It's very rough, but
Look at me.
that's a cute little thing here. Wow. Who's this at?
Good job.
Look at she's drawing the green. I love it. You're doing a good job.
What else do you want to draw?
Let's see.
Go half.
She's
Go
done,
for it.
she did the green part.